Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras, for your daily energies and for your love energies, Libras. Two of Pentacles, the Hermit, High Priestess, Seven of Cups, Four of Swords, guys. Libras, with these cards, I feel today you're getting some information about something, and you are clearly thinking now what is needs to be your next course of action. So you are right on the wall, you do not know which way to jump, and you feel know something, some kind of secrets are revealed. Maybe this may be regarding your work, or this may be in your relationship, guys. You would have found out something about this person, and that is troubling you. You do not know which way to decide, whether to be in this relationship with this person or not, or what to do. So you're thinking within yourself, you're just contemplating what you are doing and what are your choices in life, what is your goal in life. So you have done your share of work in your life, you feel. So whatever you have done till now, so you're just thinking. You feel really helpless also, maybe for some of you all. You feel really helpless. That may be the reason you just want to stay quiet and see how things are going, because the information you have got, or some kind of secrets you know now, just is making you helpless, because you loved this person unconditionally. You had this good relationship with this person, but you feel you cannot trust them anymore. You really feel sad and helpless because of that, and you're reflecting within yourself. You're contemplating what was your past and what are your choices you have now, and you want to decide based on that, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, Libras. Mice, mountains, child, dog, tree. Maybe with these cards, I feel you feel this relationship, this person is very immature, guys. So that may be the reason that you are just waiting, taking this pause. You feel this person is really devoted to you, but something, whatever effort you're putting in your relationship, is not giving the expected results. You feel this relationship is robbing your time and energy, but the results are not what you expect. Or this may concern your work. You may feel people are using you for your skills and they are taking the credit, so you're feeling at a loss, guys, and you are feeling great challenges in your life, and so you are in doubt over this relationship, and you do not know how to decide for this person, whether you want to be with them or whether you want to leave them. You have no idea, so you're in a state of confusion, guys. That is the energy with these cards. Let me pick one more card, guys. Let us see what is their true state, what is the truth in this relationship. Five of Swords, guys. So with this card, I feel whatever secrets that were revealed to you, they may be true, guys, and but the course of action is in your hands. So you should think clearly. That was the energy with this card. So you just want to take a pause, take a break, think within yourself, and then decide your course of action, guys. So that is the energy here, Libras. And if this relationship is meant to be, I think you will get a clear understanding about how to reach the solution, guys. Maybe this is a karmic cycle, guys. That is why you're going through this relationship. This may be a karmic cycle. That is the reason for this relationship being there. So let us see what is the angel's guidance today, Libras. Universal heart. Just like I said, it is a karmic relationship, guys. That is the reason this relationship is there, first of all, and you are in this relationship with this person, even though after the secrets that are revealed, you have a sense of attraction towards this person. Instead of in life, instead of hating and arguing with people, we have to try to make an impact with the actions, guys. So it will just affect our whole situation. So when we are centered in our heart, and when our actions are based on love for others, it will just guide them and guide us to lead on to the path of happiness and love. So the angels are guiding us to live consciously and connected with the people and situation every day of our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. When our actions are based on the love for others, on love for whatever we are going through, for our situation, it just brings out love from us, and it will in turn affect the situation and the people who are there in close relationship with us. So that is the angel's guidance for today, Libras. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.